For today's video, we're going to talk about something that is really important and crucial when 3D printing decorative objects, especially if you do have a 3D printing shop or a 3D print farm and you want to sell your prints. They must be clean and with no artifacts. Let's jump right in. Welcome back to Spectrum Filaments. My name is Alessio. I found this little cute model of this cat on makerworld.com and the link is in the box below if you want to print it yourself. I thought it would be the perfect idea and perfect solution and perfect test for decorative prints because they do look like something you're going to put in your shop or in your website or something like that, and therefore you want to sell it. So what is it that we're going to fix today is the seam line. How does it actually work? Well, it's pretty simple. When the nozzle lays down the layers, it starts from one point and ends to another, and then it retracts, does a little swivel like that, and then it goes round and round. Obviously, if the object is going to be placed forward and you want to hide the seam, you have the option to set the seam line in the back or other positions. But the best way to hide it completely is to use the scarf seam settings. In the first test, I set the seam line in the back with no scarf seam settings. And this is the result. And as we can see here in the first test, the seam line is very prominent. And if you were thinking to sell the print or showcase it somewhere on a window or on your shop and take some photos, this is not very optimal. Of course, you can hide it by setting the print in the front and the seam in the back. But what if you want to show it all the way? And here is where the scarf seam settings comes to play. This is the second test with the settings that I'm going to show you right now. After we open Bambu Studio, right next to the filament, we click on Edit. And here we have, in the filament settings, we scroll down and we can find Filament Scarf Seam Settings. First of all, we set the scarf seam type as contour. Then we set the scarf start height at 30%. And then we set the scarf slope gap at 40. And lastly, we set the scarf length at 2 millimeters. And here we can see the result. The seam is almost completely gone, but that's because we set the scarf length at 2 millimeters. So to have a better surface and hide the seam a little bit more, we can increase the scarf length up to 4 millimeters. For this specific test, I used the Filament PLA Yellow. Like I mentioned in other videos, I'm in love with this filament, and the only way to find out is for you to try it for yourself. The links are in the description down below. This is such a small setting, but it will improve your prints quite a bit. Again, especially if you want to sell your prints, put it out on a window on your shop or on your website and take really cool photos. This is the only way if you want to hide the seam line without post-processing. And when I say post-processing, I mean sanding, painting, and so on. On a side note, as you can see, the studio is getting empty and in every video, but that's because we're moving into a new studio, so stay tuned for that in a couple of weeks. Also, before I leave you, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to tackle the same problem with other type of filaments such as PETG, PLA carbon fiber, PETG carbon fiber, silk PLA, or ABS or ASA, just let me know. That's all for this video. Please do consider to subscribe, like and comment down below if you did enjoy this video. My name is Alessio, this is Spectrum Filaments, and I'll see you next Wednesday.